In this Polpay review, I'm going to be showing you if you guys can really make money using this website by taking surveys, submitting receipts, and even playing games. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Polpay is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software, and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So Polpay is basically a GPT style website, which means get paid to do certain surveys, taking offers and playing games. And by doing all these tasks, you can be getting paid for every task that you do. So that's how it works. So it is similar to Swagbucks. As you all know, it is one of the most popular GPT style website, and apparently Polpay is also a GPT style website just like Swagbucks. But the thing about Polpay is that there's a good news about Polpay is that it is taken over by a huge GPT style website called Inbox Dollars. So Inbox Dollars is like one of the huge website when it comes to GPT style website, and it has recently taken over Polpay. So this website right over here is a 100% legit website in which you guys can make money by taking offers, surveys, and even playing games. So in order to sign up, you can sign up through your Google, Apple, or with your email. As soon as you join them, you will get a 500 coin bonus. So 100 coin is equal to $1. So as soon as you enter, you are going to be getting $5 bonus as 500 coins. So after you log in, you have to activate using your email, and this is the interface that you're going to get into. So this is how the interface looks like, and it looks pretty clean. So this is the home page. Let me show you the many ways that you can make money online. So you have offers, surveys, games, and you can also make money by referring friends. So first let me show you games section. So as you can see, these are like some of the games that you can play, and you can get paid up to this much coins in a single game. So this is how much you can be getting. So remember guys, you can earn up to 3,280 coin. It doesn't mean you have to be getting 3,000 coins. It's going to take a lot of time in order to get to this level. The thing it is saying is that you are going to get up to, so suppose if you reach level 10 of clone evolution, you might get 100 coins, but you're not going to be getting more than that. Maybe once you reach the maximum level of clone evolution, you're going to be getting paid this 3,280 coins. So that's how this works. So suppose you are playing this game called C Block 1010. You can earn up to 291 coins, which is great. Don't expect to make 291 coins as soon as you get in, because 291 coins, maybe it's going to take you level 100 to get to that level. It's going to take you level 100 to earn 291 coins. So don't expect to get these coins as soon as you get in. The maximum you have to get to the top level. But the problem with these games is that some people get to level 4 and they can't progress because they are not that good at games. But if you're someone who really enjoys playing games and all that stuff, you can definitely progress and you can make side income with this. So that's how the game section work. You can also filter it by puzzle, simulation, role playing, strategy, arcade, and casino. But these are all the games that is currently available now. And then you have surveys. So if you go to the surveys, the thing is that you will have to complete a profile question. So make sure you guys take enough and more times to actually complete the profile question, because based on the profile questions they are going to be recommending you surveys. So make sure your profile question you answer it very correctly, and based on that they are going to be giving you a lot of surveys. It really depends on your profile. So make sure you guys complete your profile very nicely. and you can earn instantly 35 coins as soon as you complete your profile. So that is equivalent to 35 cents. And let's explore some of these surveys. So if you press here, you can see surveys that are 90 cents, 25 cents, $1.17, $1.17. Then you have $90, then you have $1.50. So remember guys, most surveys are not going to be this high. Most surveys are going to be getting you 20 to 30 to 50 cents. So most surveys, after you complete your profile, it is only going to be 20, 30 or 50 cents. The chances that you get $1.17 or $1.55 is actually pretty low. The chances are very low, but you can get $1.55 survey if you're like really lucky. But most surveys are going to be just 10, 20 or maybe 50 cents. That's the maximum it can go. So guys, make sure you fill out the profile questions very accurately in order to get a lot of surveys. And then you have the offers. So while you press on offers, you're going to be seeing there are no offers that is currently available. So the reason why this is happening is because Inbox Dollars just recently bought PolPay. So in a few weeks you're going to be seeing a lot of offers. Just give it some time, because Inbox Dollars has just bought PolPay. It is obviously going to take some time in order to see a lot of games, a lot of surveys and a lot of offers. It's going to take some time, but I guarantee you guys it's going to come back in a few weeks. If you combine offers, surveys and games, you can be earning quite a lot of money, I would say. But it won't be a life-changing income or anything like that. I'm going to be telling you guys how much you can be earning later in the video. Before that, let's get into refer friends. So if we go here, you can see that you can get up to 15% of all referral earnings for the life of their account. So that's pretty great. So if you're someone who has a YouTube channel, you can make a video on this and you can make money with PolPay. So that's great. You can get up to 15% of their referral earnings for life. So that's a pretty cool way. You can share it with your friends, on Facebook, Twitter. You can share this link on WhatsApp or anything like that. But it would be best if you could make a YouTube video. You can be earning much more money if you refer friends. So these are some of the ways that you can make money, and let me show you how much you can be earning. So if you go to rewards right over here, they currently only have PayPal as their redeem option. So they only have PayPal. So they are having a threshold of almost $25 in order for you guys to actually withdraw using their PayPal. So $25 is going to take you about 2,500 coins, which is a lot of time. If you ask me how much time it's going to take you guys to actually get to $25, let me tell you guys. As soon as you sign up, you're going to get to $5, which is about 500 coins. And then you would need about 2,000 coins, which is probably going to take you at least 1 month, maybe 20 to 30 days. In that time you can be getting this $25 withdrawal. I'm pretty sure by the time you can actually earn up to 2,500 coins if you focus on the offers, surveys and the games. So if you combine offers, surveys and even games, I would tell you guys that you can be earning probably if you spend 1 whole hour on this website, you can be earning up to 50 cents to up to $1. It really depends. It really depends. It's most cases it's 50 to $1, but sometimes it can be much lower or sometimes it can be much higher. So if you are investing at least 3 to 4 hours on a website like PolPay, the maximum you can be earning is up to $2 to $3 or maybe even $1 to $3. You can't really guarantee on that, but I'm going to be saying if you're like working solidly for 3 hours or 4 hours a day, you can be earning up to $2 or even $3 if you're lucky. So that equates to about $60 to up to $90 per month. So the rewards can be much lower, but the average is about $60 to $90 if you spend 3 to 4 or even up to 5 hours per day. So you can be withdrawing PayPal money, maybe more than that, but on the safe side, I would tell you guys $25 is going to take you about 20 to 30 days. So that's how you can withdraw that. So that's basically it for this video of Polpay. I find this website very interesting because it is recently bought by one of the biggest companies, which is Inbox Dollars, which is a GPT style website. So this is a 100% legit website. If you go here, you can definitely make money, but it's never, it's not life-changing money or anything like that. But if you're here, if you're still in this video, and if you're looking for another way to make big money online, if you're looking to make maybe $5,000 or even $10,000 per month, so I have a personal strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month. So if you want to access this free affiliate marketing guide, you can click the first link in the description. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video.